Welcome to My Guard Up. We are going to go over some drills that I have devised. They're warm-up drills, but they also help you in self-defense. They are moves that you can use on the street. I also like to talk to you a little bit about muscle memory, or as I like to call it, reactive flex. What is reactive flex, you say? Well, reactive flex is, it's normal when somebody swings a club at you or swings at you to go back like this and try to get away from it, and that's good. But once you practice enough, somebody swinging a club at you, stepping in, blocking it, and then striking, that is reactive flex. You have built up your muscles to do something different, your reflexes to do something to protect yourself. Don't get me wrong, this will protect you too, but you can only go back so far. You may not be able to go back at all. So, with that said, I'd like to show you some of these drills. Like they're partially kung fu and partially self-defense, part me. This first drill is a walking drill, and what it consists of is snake block, which is used to block usually a shove or strikes, and then a dragon push or press. It goes kind of like this. This next drill is identical to the last, only we're adding a stomp to it. So what's happening is I'm going to do the block, do the press and or strikes, and do a stomp as well. Goes kind of like this. So this next drill is used for blocking. You're actually blocking or checking a kick like this, or you can check a kick like this, or even in front. But this drill, you're going to block windshield wiper, so if there was a kick coming, you'd knock it out of the way. So I'm here, I'm taking it over here, and I'm setting my foot down, and I'm going to strike. The beauty of this is, you're not going to probably do this in a self-defense situation, but it builds up the strength and power in your legs to do what you want. Let me demonstrate. So we're here. We're just going to use the upper arm to block with the foot. Strike, 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 strike. So to add to that, I want to explain just a little bit. As I'm blocking here, I'm using my forearm, as I said, to my knee. My elbow comes to my knee, and I make this block. And then I can strike, okay? Then I do it on the other side. Well, this time, I'm going to be blocking and shuffling in towards what would be the direction of the kick if it was in actuality. And let me explain that to you. As a drill, I'm doing this, and I'm skipping, and then I'm striking. To skip or shuffle. So I'm blocking, shuffling, striking, okay? I'm doing it, in actuality, the kick was coming. I'm not going to do the windshield wiper part. I'm just going to cover, jump into the kick. Now I'm kicking their kick, and I'm striking them. Okay, so this becomes very powerful. These extra movements just make it and build up strength and power in your arms and your legs. So when you do the basic movements, you're very, very powerful. So the drill looks like this. But right now, I'd like to talk to you about my 10-point and strike and block drill I do. So this helps you to get used to blocking and then striking, opening and closing your hands. So you have to coordinate what you're doing. And the reason that you do it is you may be grabbing, you may be opening your hand, you may be closing your hand, but you have to get used to doing both. You don't want to just sit there clenched fist. You don't want to just sit there open hand like this. You want to be able to go and flow between the two. So what's going to happen is a strike is going to come down at my head, such as maybe an axe kick, maybe an elbow, maybe it's just a driving hammer fist to the top of the head. But I'm blocking it like this with an open hand. Palms catching it. Boom. And I'm striking to the face. I'm going to practice it on the other side as well. Bam. To the face. Now I'm going at an angle to the face. Angle to the face. Off to the side to the face. Off to the side to the face. Block a kick to the face. Block a kick to the face. Block a kick to the groin. Block a kick to the groin. And then that's your complete 10 block punch drill. So to conclude the 10-point strike and block drill, this time I'm going to be walking, okay? You got to be able to chew your gum and walk at the same time. So this is, it's a handful already learning how to open his hand, boom, open, and then strike with the other. That'll take a minute to get, but it's okay. You take as long as you want. Do it as slow as you want. As I'm walking, I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to go boom, boom. All right, this drill is a walking drill, another one to help you build up your reflexes and strength. But the big part of it is when you're being kicked at, and that's what the first attack is kick, and you're blocking the kick, okay? Then you're bringing your arm up and you're blocking a punch. I'll explain something real fast, that if somebody is going to kick you to close, see my leg's longer than my arm. If they know anything about fighting, they will kick you first and then punch you, okay? The kick can always draw down your guard for them to hit you, okay? So they want to kick you first and then punch you, and then maybe grab a hold of you and take you to the ground or whatever they want to do. But that's why you block the kick and immediately you bring this arm back up to catch that strike. All right, so that's what's happening during this drill. There is a block, and then strike, and you're returning fire, just like